Starting over by Building 5. This is the furthest building from docks. It's closer to Coconut Jacks. We'll head over here and check out the pickleball and tennis courts first. So it doesn't look great, but this is the makeshift grill area. And I'm not sure if much work has been done to the pickleball courts. I think they were pretty much in this condition after the storm. It's bring your own nets currently. And this, unfortunately, is the site of the former 16 tennis courts. All right, let's go check out Building 5. Again, this is the one that's closest to Coconut Jacks. It's the closest to the entrance right now too. They closed off the entrance by Building 1, which is also directly across from docks. The board just approved somewhere around $12,000 for the atrium of Building 5. So we should see some improvements coming here soon.